Hi everybody, thanks for joining me again. Remember last time we were talking about different approaches to managing ergonomics and how we think about that in terms of the Ergonomics Maturity Curve. No matter what business process we're involved with, we have to be as effective as possible and as efficient as possible. When we're dealing with the four approaches, reactive, preventive, proactive, and advanced, we're talking about EHS partnering with a variety of different groups within their organization. In reactive, EHS tends to partner with their human resources group. And what are we doing in here? Well, we're doing injury investigations to understand the nature of the causes of the injuries, as well as a solid return to work process. So how do I fix the area where the injury occurred, and how do I fix the person to get them back to work as quickly as possible? When we move into the preventive approach, EHS tends to partner with HR and physical therapists or occupational therapists, generally outside vendors, but sometimes internal staff. And what we need here are tools to help us understand the workplace. So what people utilize are physical demands analysis, or PDAs, to help dimension the nature of the work that people are doing, the forces they have to be able to apply, the walking distances they might have to walk, etc. The other side of that is we try to understand the strengths that our people have. What are they capable of? And to do that, we use functional capacity evaluations. And these are tests to understand, can people achieve certain activities within the daily routine of their job? These two tools are very, very good at helping understand people. The return to work processes is about helping people return to work from their injuries. So when we're on this sort of side of the line in this curve, we're dealing with a very person-focused activities. On this side of the line, we tend to focus a lot more on the workplace itself. This is fix the person, this is fix the workplace. When we're being proactive, we're really understanding what are the risks that are present in the workplace. We might come the next level down and try to understand the causes of those risks, whether they be direct cause or root cause, and then we're going to identify solutions to help eliminate or reduce exposure to those risks. So tools for doing that are good risk assessments, good prioritization tools, as well as a nice set of design guidelines or known solutions to problems in that type of industry or in that work environment. As we get to the next approach, it's called the advanced approach. And in advanced, what I'm really doing is EHS is working with advanced manufacturing and product designers to develop a workplace that meets the capabilities of people and develop products that can be put together by people. What they need here is an understanding of what our historic concerns are, right? What is the nature of the risk that we have in the workplace, and how can we design a better workplace from the time that it's on a piece of paper? They're going to need some tools to help them do that. That includes very simple design standards that they have to follow, as well as an understanding of perhaps force requirements, what people are capable of in terms of limits, clearances, how much clearance they need or space they need to allow the hand to move or operate within a certain area in the manufacturing process, as well as reach distances. Those are the nature of the design guidelines that are going to be very helpful for those advanced manufacturing and product designers. The other thing they need is a gate review process, and that's where EHS tends to get back involved. Hey, have we addressed the right number of historic concerns, as many as possible? Have our solutions or our design ideas move that ball forward? Are we creating a better workplace? And that's how we find that out, is through that gate review process. You might utilize different parts of each of these approaches. Maybe take some time and evaluate that. Because what I want to do next time we talk is talk about the key steps you're going to need to follow to help gain support for moving your company up this curve. How do I get key stakeholders to understand why we should do it, and how do I develop a plan to help me get there? Hope you enjoyed this whiteboard. Until we talk again, please take care of yourself, and hey, we'll talk soon. Bye now.